In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Canon Pixma TR4755i printer. So whether you're having some Wi-Fi issues or you just want to sell it, this is how to restore it to default settings. Come to the top of your printer and press on this button here with the screwdriver and the pliers. Then press the right arrow key until you get to device settings. Then press OK. Under device settings, press the right arrow key until you get to reset setting. Press OK. It's going to tell you to wait momentarily. Then press OK when you see web service setup. Press the left arrow key on yes, then press OK. You'll see this message, which means the printer has now been reset. So if that didn't work, taking out the power cable at the back of the printer for 5 minutes can fix a lot of issues that you might be having with this printer.